Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share with you some amazing free AI tools that are guaranteed to double your productivity. Yep, you heard that right. So, whether you're working from home, in the office, or on the go, these tools are about to become your new best friends. First up, we have Notion AI. Notion is already an incredible tool for organizing your life and work, but with their AI assistance, it's on another level. Imagine having an AI that helps you brainstorm ideas, generate content, and even summarize long articles for you. Just type in your command, and boom! Notion AI does the heavy lifting. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a break. Next, let's talk about Grammarly. I know you've probably heard of it, but did you know that Grammarly has an AI-powered writing assistant? It not only corrects your grammar, but also improves your writing style, suggests better words, and even checks for tone. This is perfect for emails, reports, and even social media posts. And the best part? It's free. Moving on, we have Trello with AI integrations. Trello is fantastic for project management, but with AI, it becomes a powerhouse. There's an incredible bot called Butler that automates your workflows. From setting due dates to moving cards, Butler handles repetitive tasks so you can focus on what really matters. Imagine never forgetting a deadline again. Now, if you're into data analysis, you need to know about Google Sheets AI features. Google Sheets now has built-in AI that helps you analyze data, create charts, and even predict trends. Just ask questions in plain English, and Sheets will give you insights that usually take hours to uncover. This is a game changer for anyone dealing with data regularly. And finally, let's not forget about Otter.ai. This tool is perfect for transcribing meetings, lectures, or even brainstorming sessions. Otter uses AI to create accurate transcripts in real time. You can tag speakers, highlight key points, and even search through your transcripts. It's like having a searchable database of all your conversations. Alright, so there you have it. 5 free AI tools that are guaranteed to double your productivity. What are you waiting for? Start using them today and watch how your efficiency skyrockets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on boosting your productivity. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.